Happy 2021, and I am so glad that you are here, girlfriend, for my first cleaning video of the new year. And I hope that this gives you a ton of motivation, and I pray that this year is a blessed and prosperous one for us all. Let me know in the comments how you are doing today while you watch and what you are working on around your home this week. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting out by cleaning my ceiling fan. There was just enough dust built up on top of it, and I had neglected this ceiling fan from cleaning it for quite some time, and I just wanted to go ahead and get it out the way. But girlfriend, it feels so good to be back, and if you have stuck with me this long through my 1 year hiatus, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will talk a little bit more later on in this video why I was gone for so long, but after I clean this ceiling fan, I'm going to go ahead and kind of take down some of my Christmas decor that I had in my living room before tackling this tree. Typically, I vacuum my couch before the holidays even get started, but seeing how we moved into this house before Christmas in August, and we've done a lot more purging and just been doing a lot of cleaning because this house was more neglected than loved on. So just trying to hurry up and get something up, get the house festive, get a little holiday cheer in this house. So I've neglected this couch. As you guys can see, we've done a lot of hanging out, eating popcorn, watching a lot of family movies here. But now that I got the fan done, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this couch, and then I'm going to clean up this living room, and then I'm going to tackle this tree. For the girlfriends that have checked in on me through this 1 year hiatus, I just cannot explain how much I appreciate it. For every comment, for every Instagram message, for every text, for every call. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I can't explain how much it was appreciated. When I took this break, I thought I would be gone for about a month, and I wanted to give you guys some vlogs of our house tour, or really house hunting and decor shopping with me. Well, life drastically interrupted those plans, and I understand that COVID has affected us all in many different ways, but in my life it highlighted areas that I have not given the proper attention needed. Transitioning from an active duty family, an active duty military family, to a retired one, living with family for 7 months, adjusting to my husband's new job, balancing my children's emotional and physical needs. I didn't prioritize myself or my marriage, but thankfully through hard work, prayers, therapy, and dealing with the shame of suffering in silence with my mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Everything is not perfect, but we are better. I am better. And my life motto for this year is that I will walk it with peace, not allowing any residue to disrupt it.
Oh baby, I love you, yeah. When you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
So for 2021, did you make any New Year's resolutions? Besides choosing not to live in fear, I've also decided to become more self-disciplined with my health and to read more books. Is there a word that you decided to focus on? My word is fearless. The definition for that is lacking fear. Closed so many doors because I was unable to move forward in my life with necessary change. So I am relinquishing fear's grip and my need to be in control, allowing myself to make mistakes, embrace the struggle, willing to risk the emotional pain of making mistakes to shed more fear than I ever imagined. This is what I want for 2021. If you have one word for this year, what is it? And share with us in the comments so that we can motivate, empower, and motivate you. And we can hold each other accountable to our word for the year.
That's how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run.
Now that the living room and office area is clean, I've finally built the motivation to tackle this tree with the help of my kids in their own little way. If you are cleaning or undecorating with me today, let me know what you're working on or projects you have planned. I always love hearing from you guys.
Us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
If you are new here, hello and welcome, girlfriend. My name is Sherelle, and on my YouTube channel, I share cleaning, homemaking, and my lifestyle journey as a woman, wife, and mom. If any of this interests you, I'd love for you to subscribe and like this video. As I am making this house a home, I'll be taking you all along for the journey, and I'm going to first start in my Hershey Kisses room, transforming it into a tween room, although they are only 9 and 11. But be sure that you are subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell. I don't want you to miss any of these upcoming makeovers. So y'all, I can't even tell you how long I've had this tree storage bag, but y'all, it took 3 people to close this thing, and unfortunately one of the zippers broke, which is what my son was showing, but it was just so fun, and I was just so thankful that we got the tree in the bag so we can go ahead and take it to the storage unit.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the.
So as I was taking down the Christmas decor in the dining area, my kids were taking down their decor in their room and placing them in the bins. And I really needed to clutter and downsize my Christmas decor and donate what I will no longer use. But I just figured I can just do that next season. I was just not in the mood. I wanted to get this done. But this past year, I placed our decor up a week prior to Christmas. And that is honestly, I just forgot how close Christmas was. When I tell you the amount of love we've had to put in this house, changing our decor style to more of a minimalistic one, downsizing even more when we moved from New Jersey to DC, juggling virtual learning with the kids has been, I don't know, a struggle. But as soon as Christmas was over, I just craved calm and peace, and definitely taking down all the Christmas decor has really done that for us. But you guys will definitely have to let me know if you tend to keep your Christmas decor well into January or just a few days after Christmas. There is obviously no wrong answer, but it is interesting to see how everyone does things differently. So here I am collecting the last space that has decor to be placed in the bins. This kitchen is in need of a deep clean, but if you guys are like me and you've been cooking like crazy during the holidays and have been doing a ton of baking, I will be deep cleaning the kitchen in the next few weeks, but today I'm going to wash these few dishes, wipe down the counters, because your girl is not ready to deep clean this kitchen and it feeling fresh. But today I am focused on decluttering my home to bring a calm and peace atmosphere. This is what I'm rewarding my family and myself. Having this is a done something than a perfect nothing. But if we're honest, what is perfect? It doesn't exist. But rewarding my family a calm and peaceful home is rewarding just enough for me.
I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go. But I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 'Cause I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, Cause I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard.
I've got everything taken down and put away, but this is the reason why I decided to vacuum last, because there are so many sparkles and fake snow everywhere. Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday, but the flocking, the glitter is not my favorite, especially when you're talking about an after Christmas cleanup.
It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration, 'cause I think I like it.
If you made it this far, thank you so much, and I really do appreciate your support, and I hope that this video brought you all the motivation you need to tackle your home today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, girlfriend, and until next time, stay beautiful.
It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy.